We've all been there. Rent's due, a surprise bill pops up, or maybe you just spotted that perfect outfit you gotta have. But what if there was a way to access a bit of your paycheck before your official payday? Well, that's where Beforepay comes in. Beforepay is a service that lets you access a portion of your earned wages early. Think of it as an interest-free advance on your paycheck, but with a small fee. Sounds good, right? But how exactly do you use Beforepay to cash out some of that hard-earned money? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of cashing out with Beforepay. We'll cover everything from eligibility requirements to choosing a repayment plan, all in a way that's easy to understand. So, whether you're a Beforepay pro or a complete newbie, this video will have you cashing out like a champ in no time. Before we begin, a word about responsible cash out. Beforepay can be a helpful tool, but it's important to use it responsibly. Cashing out too frequently can create a cycle of debt, and you don't want to end up constantly relying on advanced funds. Make sure you only cash out what you absolutely need and can comfortably repay on your next payday. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. The Beforepay app. Make sure you have it. The first thing you'll need is the Beforepay app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play and grab it for free. Once you've installed the app, you'll need to create an account. The sign-up process is quick and easy, just follow the on-screen prompts. Step 2. Checking your cash-out limit. Not everyone qualifies for the same cash-out amount. Beforepay uses a variety of factors to determine your individual limit, including your income, spending habits, and repayment history with Beforepay. Generally, new users will have a cash-out limit between $50 and $1,000. You can find your current limit displayed within the Beforepay app. Step 3. Cash-out time. Now for the fun part. Open the Beforepay app and navigate to the cash-out section. Here, you'll be able to enter the amount you'd like to access. Remember, be responsible and only cash out what you truly need. Step 4. Repayment options. Choose your path. Beforepay offers a few different repayment options to fit your needs. You can choose to repay the full amount on your next payday, or you can split it up into manageable installments. The app will clearly display the fees associated with each repayment option. Take a moment to review the options and choose the one that best suits your budget. Step 5. Review and confirm. Before finalizing your cash-out request, take a moment to review the details. This includes the amount you're cashing out, the chosen repayment plan, and the associated fees. Once you're happy with everything, simply confirm the request and voila! The funds will be deposited into your bank account, usually within minutes. Cash-out complete. Congratulations, you've successfully cashed out with Beforepay. Now you have that extra bit of money to handle whatever unexpected expense came your way. Just remember to stick to your chosen repayment plan and avoid the temptation to cash out too frequently. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.